Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Sumanth Latest Tech. In this video I am going to tell you about a best photo editor app which is officially by Google only. Here you can see Snapseed application I have opened in Play Store. First of all, download this application from Play Store and I have given the link in the description. Go and download from there, or else you can download it from any Play Store and all. And here you can see this is a best photo editor which I have seen, which has 100 million downloads with 4.6 ratings out of 5. And here you can see this is a professional photo editor app. Here you can see all the pros about this app, and this supports dark mode also, which is very good option available. And if you know about this app, comment below in this video. I will definitely reply your comment. If you want to learn more technical information and regarding your mobile tricks and tips, click on the red color subscribe button, and after that click on the notification bell icon and click on all notifications, so you will never miss any update from our YouTube channel. And this is our about tab. Here you can see my views, and you can join in my Facebook group, and you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram also. You can read all this. And this is our community tab, which has been enabled after 1000 subscribers. Here I will post every video links and all the descriptions here I will mention. Check out this. And this is our playlist. Here you can see all the videos are group wisely divided. Here you can watch after this video. So now I'm going to edit my own picture in this Snapseed, so you can see all the features of this app lively only. So I'm going to lively edit my own picture. So without any further delay, I'm opening this app. This app interface looks like this, very simple and clean without no ads and all. This is a very good application. You have to tap here on the plus icon, so you can add your photo. Okay, this photo I have selected. See friends, I have selected my own photo to edit. Here you can see all the options below. I'm selecting pop. Here you can see it takes some time to download that pop. Here you can see the pop is now applied on my picture, and smooth is also there. Still so many are there here. Here you can see black and white, fine art, push, structure, everything is there. Now in smooth I am continuing. Now I am going to tools option. See here friends, how many features are there here for editing a single picture in this Google Snapseed application. All features are useful only. If I tell all these features, it will be more than 20 minutes of this video, so I will explain in briefly only. Here you can see tune image. Here you can increase your brightness or decrease your brightness. Here you can see according to your wish you can adjust the brightness. I have increased only 5. Again tools, I'm going white balance, I'm going to increase somewhat. Here you can see I have increased only 5%. Again HDR scape, okay, now I'm going to reduce this. Okay, like this every feature is useful friends. Here you can see head pose. This is very good option friends. In none other than any editing app you will see this option. Here you can move your head position also. You can change your head position. Clearly observe my face friends. I am moving up and down with my fingers. My head position is changing. Watch carefully friends. Here left corner you can see it is 3D. This feature is highlight friends. This is very good feature available in Snapseed. Okay, now I have moved my head position. Now I am saving this, and you can adjust the double exposure also here. Yeah, it's very good friends. and you can add some text also in this video. Here you can see you can add any sort of text here. Now I will type my own name only. You can change these colors also here. You can add some frames for this photo. Here you can see different frames are available in this app itself. You don't need any other external app if you have this Google Snapseed. And you can adjust your portrait also, face spotlight. You can increase or decrease, it's your wish according to your. No. Here I am going to cancel this. I am not applying that filter. Now I am going to control glamour glow. Again I am showing all these features. I have decreased these all. Here you can see. Now I like this picture. Now I want to save this. Click on export. If you finished all these settings, you can simply save your picture by clicking on export here. Here you can see you can share this picture, you can save, you can export and all. Here I'm going to save. Okay, here you can see every setting what we have done in this app. It is saving. It takes some time. You should wait because all these settings will be applied to our photo and it will be finally saved to our photo gallery in our mobile. Here you can see my photo is being saved. That's it friends for this video. It is very good application for editing your photos, so I recommend to use this app. I hope you all enjoy this video and mention which tool you have liked the most in this app, Google Snapseed. So if you like this video, click on the like button and like, share and subscribe Sumanth Latest Tech. Meet you in my next YouTube video. Thank you for watching.